then I called when I got the vacation checks. I called him. I said, Steve. I said, meet me out there. And he all he wanted was $1,000. He wanted $1,000. So I had in an envelope. I had $1,000. This is the first time I played it. That's the first time I played it. That's when I had the pedals. That's when he gave me the pedals. And and I was holding it, and then he said, "Smile, huh? Smile, yeah, like your
your guitar.
Yeah, so I gave it. Now this is when he actually. I don't know why it came up green in this picture. This is when he actually gave it back to me. Sat in the car, I gave him an envelope with $1,000 in it, and I got my guitar back after 34 years. Wow. And then this guitar was special because I think I was paying on it every week at Music City. It was like $50 a week. I was paying on it every week. This was Jimi Hendrix played the white one at Woodstock. So like I said, I was Jimi Hendrix.
Did you play that at the Sex Pistols, last Sex Pistols show you did?
Well, yeah, with Sid. I played this one with Sid, because I lost it in the winter. We played with Sid. It was in the summer, and I said I gotta get a white one. I gotta get a white Stratocaster. So I was 18 years old when I bought this thing. So it was really special. So Jimi Hendrix had a white one. I gotta get a white one, so yeah, I got my guitar back.
After 34 years.
34 years. And then it just got to a point through the years, I just forgot all about it. You know, because I said, I'm never going to see it again. And, yeah.
That's awesome.
I got my
I want to see that book that you brought.